Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to copy and share your TikTok profile link URL. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your TikTok profile page. If you're unsure how to get to this page, just select the profile button at the bottom right, and then you want to select the hamburger icon at the top right. Left click on that, and then select settings and privacy. Underneath account, you want to select the share profile button. Go ahead and left click on that. And now you will have the ability to go ahead and copy a link, or as well as if you want to share it via text message or Facebook or email, you can do that as well. However, like I said, you can just go ahead and copy the link in here, and then it will save to your clipboard. You can copy and paste it into wherever you want to paste it into. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.